Hello everyone, I'm still Michael Kam. We continue from the slide that we stopped. We described the farm, the household farm in the mid-hill of Nepal in the village of Kataldada. And here are the 6 main fodder trees. We say main, it is based on the farmer knowledge. It's based on the main fodder trees that the farmer fed the goats, their goats in the household during the role of the study. So these 6 species were Khanayo, Sal, Cabro, Pahuri, Catus, and Amp. Amp is?
Hello everyone, अहिले तपाईलाई अघि इष्ट भएको चीजहरु जस्तो अघि इष्ट भएको भन्नाले हामीले अलि अगाडि पनि विभिन्न किसिमको गोट फार्मिङ सम्बन्धी को डाटाहरु केस स्टडीबाट को बारेमा तपाईलाई देखाइसक्यौं। त्यसपछि भनेको नेपालको सन्दर्भमा केटल डाँडा गोरखा जिल्लाको केटल डाँडाको केही रिपोर्टहरु पनि तपाईलाई बतायौं। अब भनेको नर्मल्ली त्यहाँको किसानको अनुभवमा आधारित 6 वटा फुडरहरु ट्रिज जस्तो नामहरु र फुडहरु जनावरहरु एनिमलहरुको लागि के छन् त भन्ने कुराहरुको लागि देखाउन गइरहेको छु। खनियो, साल, काब्रो, पाखुरी, कटुस एन्ड आम भनेर यहाँ देखाइदिन्छ।
As I described before, the purpose of these trees are not only as fodder. As you can see, Khanayo, other than for fodder, is used as fuel and fruit. Fuel for feeding, for human consumption. Sal, other than for fodder, used for timber, fuel, and also for the ritual plates for puja. Cabro, again, other than for fodder, the tree is used as foil and also for pickles. In addition, this specific tree prevents soil or allows for soil conservation. It keeps the soil. Pakuri, other than for fodder, it used as fuel, the same as catus. And of course, other than fodder, used for timber and for its fruit. So these are the 3 main fodders that we isolated from the about 140 species of trees that the villagers, the household, used to bring from the environment to the house for fodder.
यसरी पशुपालनको लागि विभिन्न किसिमका घाँस अर्थात विभिन्न किसिमका झारपातहरुको प्रयोग गरिरहेको हुन्छ। त्यसमा पनि खनियो, साल, काब्रो, पाखुरी, कटुस एन्ड आँप भए। त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि तिनीहरुको एउटै फुडर जस्तो खानाको रूपमा मात्र काम नगरेर जस्तो ड्राई हुन्छ फुडर हैन, जस्तो खनायो ड्राई सुक्खा पनि हुन्छ। तर उले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि बाख्रालाई पाल्ने काम भयो, जस्तो बाख्राहरुको पालनमा सहयोग गर्ने अनि फ्युलहरुमा र फ्रुटहरुमा पनि प्रयोग गरिन्छ। जस्तै साल काम हो, जस्तो आँप पनि फुडर, फ्रुट एन्ड टिम्बर। यसै गरेर यो सबैको आफ्नो आफ्नो महत्व छ र अन्य जस्तो फुडरको मात्र काम नभएर अन्य काम पनि यसको साथसाथै अन्य कामहरु पनि गरिरहेको कुरा हो।
That's a very typical way of using leaves of the sal tree as plate. You see, the lady is weaving and putting together 1 or 2 or maybe more leaves into one plate to use for the puja, for the ritual event. But then, of course, afterwards, the used plate can be used as fodder. So there is no waste here.
अब चित्रमा देखिएको त्यो केटी मान्छेले अब सांस्कृतिक रूपमा प्रयोग गर्नको लागि वा रिटुअल प्रोग्रामहरुको लागि प्रयोग गर्नको लागि 3-4वटा सालका पातहरूलाई एउटै ठाउँमा बुनेर जस लाइक प्लेटको रूपमा बनाउँदैछिन् र त्यो भनेको धार्मिक विश्वास अनुसार धर्म विश्वास अनुसार विभिन्न न्युट्रिसन प्रोग्रामहरूमा प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ।
By the way, even the thread that is used to weave, to make the plate, is just originally from, not from the store, but from the plants. So everything here is natural.
जो त्यसमा प्रयोग गरिएको छ त्यो धागो जस्तो चिज जसले गर्दा चाहिँ सिउने काम गरिरहेको छ त्यो भनेको नेचुरली प्राप्त भएको चिज हो।
And you can also see a small bakra, the typical local goat at the back.
त्यो पछाडि पनि टिपिकल त्यहाँको लोकल बाख्रा देखिरहेको छ।
So if you collect the farmer and ask each household what does he think of the value, how he would rank these 3 plants. So every farmer gave us his or her rank. In most places there were the men, and you see women are collecting, but the men does the management, and they understand in the value of each fodder based on local knowledge, and this is why the numbers are not discrete. You see, everyone says that ficus, this Hanayo, is the best. All said it's the best, and there are no variation. One, the best one. This was their decision. But when talking about Cabro, most think that it's the least best, but not all. So you see, there are differences. There are differences in the ranking order. So finally, we were able to rank these 6 plants, where Hanayo is the best. We asked them the question: is it what is your rank based on its used as fodder? So they think Hanayo is the best, then Cabro, Pakuri, Sal is the 4th, then Anp and Catus. This is the farmer's rank. So when we started the experiment, we started the study, we first got their opinion. Next would be to study the actual nutritive value of each of these plants, its content and its palatability, whether animals would like it at all.
यसमा फुडहरूलाई पनि विभिन्न किसिमले र्याङ्क गरेको कुराहरू छ। जस्तो अघिको हामीले खनया, काप्रो, पाखुरी, सालदेखि लिएर यिनीहरूको आफ्नै बोटानिकल नामहरू छ र यिनीहरूमध्ये कुन सबैभन्दा राम्रो छ त भनेर पनि, जस्तो यिनीहरूको बारेमा चाहिँ फार्मरद्वारा चाहिँ विश्वास गरिएको चिजहरू छ। जस्तो खनायो सबैभन्दा राम्रो छ, त्यस पछाडि काप्रो छ, जस्तो एनिमलहरूको लागि। त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि फार्मरहरूले, जस्तो किसानहरूले कुन चाहिँ कति राम्रो छ त भनेर चाहिँ हेरेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि र उहाँहरूले भनेको आधारमा यसरी र्याङ्किङ गरिएको हो।
Next stage would be to offer goats these 6 types. This is called a cafeteria trial, where you offered all the types of food and measure how much from each food was consumed and rank the fodder based on actual consumption. So there are several types of parameters. One of them is the dietary ratio, another is D, another measure, and as you see, we also separated male goats from female goats to see whether there are differences in selectivity, palatability, dietary ratio intake, and Jacob selectivity index of fodder species by males and lactating female carry goats and all combined. So you see, let's look at the D, the selectivity index. This is a very interesting index. It is symmetrical, about 0. So if values are above 0, between 0 and 1, it means that they were selected. If the values are about 0, it means no specific selection, just at the ratio it was given. But when it's negative, it means that it was selected against. So you can see that within, that there is no difference between males and females in general, but some plants were, or the one that was highly selected was Chanayo, both for its plus, both for males and female, also Cabro. Amp was not selected, Pacuri less, and the worst one was Sal. Interesting, because Sal was in the middle when you ask the farmers. Let me just show you the previous slide. When you ask the farmers, Sal was somewhere in between. Chanayo was the best, but Sal was in between. And now, when you check through the animal mouse, the animal consumption, Sal becomes the worst selected. Negative selection. If there is sufficient Chanayo and Cabro, they will not eat Sal.